Kelly here at Ontario Motor Sales, and we are taking a look at one of our newest arrivals, this 2017 Cadillac XTS Platinum Edition V Sport. This is an incredible vehicle. It doesn't get much more gently used than this one. It has just shy of 8,000 kilometers, which is amazing for a 3-year-old vehicle. It rides on 20-inch aluminum wheels, and it has a 3.6 liter twin turbo V6 engine under the hood. It is all-wheel drive as well, so it's going to give you better traction on slippery roads. It also has so many great features on the inside, so let's take a closer look. We'll start with the rather spacious trunk. Check out how much space you have, and that's increased further if you fold down the rear seats. Gives you more cargo space. You do have the rear cargo mat as well as the cargo storage organizer there. Checking out the rear seats, so much space back here. Passengers will definitely be comfortable. As well, we have the heated seats and rear air conditioning for added comfort. Also the dual panel ultra view sunroof, which I personally love. There is definitely a lot happening in the front seat. The XTS was definitely built for comfort, nice leather interior, as well as 22-way adjustable power seats for the driver and memory settings for up to 2 drivers. One feature that I love for comfort is the massage seats. You can actually choose which area of your back is needing attention, and you can adjust the seat accordingly. I think that's absolutely brilliant. On your main screen, you have access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your navigation, as well as a feature I love. Your surround vision gives you a complete bird's eye view of your vehicle, increasing your visibility immensely. And we also have dual zone climate control, heated and cooled seats, with which gives you some more added comfort. So that's a quick look at our 2017 Cadillac XTS V Sport. There is a lot of good things happening in this car. Definitely going to give you lots of power, low mileage, very well cared for by the previous owner. It is part of our Cadillac Certified Pre-Owned program, which gives you several benefits. So if you'd like some more information on this vehicle, please give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number or visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com. We'd love to hear from you and for you to take this vehicle for a test drive and experience it for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.